Welcome to Crypto Coins, where we review the best coins for you.
Are you a beginner who really wants to get into the cryptocurrency world but are not exactly sure where to do it? Well, don't worry. We are going to discuss all of that in today's episode. But before we get into it, my name is Daniel J. Glenn, also known as the Crypto Keeper. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial decisions. That's the best way to ensure your financial future. So today, we are going to talk about ICM24. So this is a brand new trading company, and what's interesting about this one is that it integrates AI directly into the trading platform, which allows you to really be at the cutting edge, not only of getting trades, but information. It closes that gap. It's user-friendly for beginners, trusted reputation with this company. Money is secure. You can guarantee on that. Let's listen to the About Us section. A rapidly growing company, ICM24. So you can trade indices, so you can do index funds, digital currencies, commodities, stocks. You can kind of do it all here. Look at this. You register, choose a tariff plan, receive additional funds for trading. Profit. So this is join. You stay with them. You get some added features here, which is fantastic. I think got some awards here. Who doesn't like to decorate their walls with a little bit of hardware for sure? So they've definitely passed muster. So how does it work? The account types. So let's go over to account types. So there's a couple different types here. $250 plan, access to 5 different markets, trading account setup, customer support. Now you're getting one-on-one access to a customer support agent, and they guide you through the entire payout process as well. So the white glove hand-holding concierge part of this is something that you really have to understand as being a very important feature here. So at $5,000, it's a little bit different. You get 3 basic sessions, leverage of 1 to 50 instead of 1 to 25. You get a 7-day trial for AI trading. And then if you move up to 25,000 for the whales, 5 basic sessions, 1 to 100 AI trading. So the advantages, the versatility, fast execution, learning with real funds. So this is the important part here. So it's the fast execution. There are a lot of trading AI-powered traders, bots, things like that. If you're using them individually, you're kind of relying on the company to do the developer, and some of these are open source, to do all the hard work. When it's integrated into the platform, that's where you have a really big advantage here, I think. But let's talk about the safety here. We got negative balance protection. So this is to me, this is a good safety feature. Negative balance. So trading in the foreign exchange market always involves risks. So to protect your account from negative balances, you can use the standardized tools. So use of leverage, setting a stop loss level, that's elementary. Everyone's got to do that. Trade volume. So the use of leverage. Leverage is another significant risk management mechanism. The higher the leverage, the greater the potential risks and possible profits, but also possible losses. So the more that something is leveraged, meaning that if it's leveraged 20 to 1, means for every $1, it's up $20 based on its profitability, things like that. Complex algorithms, but the higher that number, the bigger the risk. So this is helping you keep an eye on that. How? Well, stop loss order. So that's basically when it gets below a certain amount, it sells automatically. That's pretty standard in most places. But they guarantee that clients will not be required to pay more than the funds available in their account, preventing a negative balance. That's the key thing, because what you don't want is to accidentally buy something and then realize later on that you didn't have the funds for it, and all of a sudden it's drawing from your deposit source, your fund source. You don't want any of that happening. To me, this is a really big feature here. The security of the funds. So 2022 is when these guys went into business. They're regulated by the Abu Dhabi International Finance Center. So how secure is it? Financial compensation, they're a Category A member. That's really good. Regulation, insurance. Let's click on these little buttons here. Let's see what's going on. Regulation. Engaged in financial brokerage activity since October of 2022. So they're all registered. They have insurance. 100,000 per case, very similar to here in the States. And civil liability insurance program. So they've got all the insurances in place. 2-factor authentication, also pretty standard security measures. I think that's really important. So what I was trying to get to earlier, the welcome bonus. So you choose your plans here, put money in, inform your manager, you get a bonus. One of the things that you want to make sure that you keep in mind is have a set limit, right? So you want to put the money in here, and the AI program, I wish I could just show you how that works here. Let's look at digital currencies. That's what we specialize in here. So 4 characteristics of the icon: simplicity, trading restrictions, global reach, solutions. There's no restrictions when it comes to buying, selling, or exchanging digital currency unless set by the ICO owner. So you can do whatever you want here, which is great. Simplicity, that's the key to a beginning market. Global reach, provide solutions. So this kind of has it all, you know, if I'm looking at this correctly, and I think that's important. So one of the things that I think you have to always understand is that if you're a beginner getting into this world, it's very daunting. And what you want are partners and sites and portals that are they're a little intuitive, they're easy to walk you through, and also you have the peace of mind, the security. You're not going to lose money with a negative balance. It's going to keep an eye on your withdrawals. You're going to be doing it with the concierge handheld service. Someone's going to be doing it directly, and it's secure, been around for a while. So these are this is an A+ company in my opinion, ICM24. So let me know what you think. If you have maybe you want to switch over, put a little bit in here, give it a whirl. Let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are, and of course like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. We like to hit the trending topics, so you come here first. So again, enjoy the ride, and thank you for watching.